everyone, welcome to our 2024 Term 1 Class A Practicing Video Number 6。今天这一个视频呢，我们有一个新的手指练习，希望家长们可以带着孩子们在琴盖上或者是在桌面上做一下，这是关于我们手指独立性。然后呢，我们在上课的时候把 Technique Book 第4页、第5页的这4首曲子，大家听了一下，主要的问题呢是在 legato walking finger 上面，我们要求同学们保持手腕平稳，手指主动的抬起来，抬得高一点，但是下键的时候要轻柔。我们一会儿在视频当中练一下这个。那这4条练习呢，大部分同学都已经弹下来了。那我的要求是，我们这2天再把这4条练习 technique 着重的练一下，然后每个人呢录一个小的视频发给我，让我看一下有没有理解和做到我们这个gentle fingers。然后如果是 OK 了，没有什么太大的问题，那我们会有2首新的作业在 piano book 上面，是关于3/4 4/3拍这个 time signature 的。那 Bravery at C 呢 still need more practice just to make sure the fluency and the accuracy is good. Alright, let's get down to our finger exercise today. So what we're going to do is, if you practice in front of your piano, I want you to sit like me, so sidewise, okay? And put your arm resting on the piano floorboard and hold your fingers, grab your fingers in to make a hand posture, piano hand posture. Okay, if you can't get your knuckles up comfortably, there is a little trick that you can do, is making a fist. Alright, number 1, just lay on the side and move one finger out at a time. 2, 3, make sure they are curved. 4 and 5, and just adjust finger number 1. So at that point, you can see the knuckles is coming out and the wrist is touching the board. You have a very comfortable hand posture, but no pressure on the wrist. Okay, so just resting on here. What we're going to do is we're going to lift each fingers up and do double fingers. So 2 fingers and 3 fingers and 4 fingers in all different combinations. So not just 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes we do 1, 3 or 1, 4. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the music on. It's called 声声慢. It's a Chinese song. Very nice, peaceful, and it's a good tempo to start with this finger exercises. So you can search it on YouTube. Alright, let's try this. Alright, relax your wrist and get your hands ready. Ready, go. Finger 1, up and tap. Up and tap. 我们做4次. Up and tap. Now, up and tap. Now, finger number 2. Up, 抬到最高, tap. Up and tap. 抬高的时候要 freeze 住，不要动，抬到最高，保持手平衡。落下去的时候一下到底。Finger number 3 now. Hold and tap. Hold and tap. 每个手指我们做4次。Hold and tap. 注意手指尖一定要 curve fingers. Number 4, 这次自己抬。4 and tap. Up and tap. Now finger 5. Up and 5. 注意手掌不要塌下去。有的时候我们发现 number 5会这样子，那我们把手掌撑好， number 5自己独立。做完右手的时候，你可以做左手。OK， 那我们 skip the left hands, go straight to 2 fingers. Alright, ready, go. 1, 2 and tap. 1, 2 tap. Now move to 1, 3. 所以 1, 3 up and 其他手指掉。Alright, just try one more time. 1, 3 and tap. Again. 1, 3 and tap. Now let's try 1, 4. 1, 4. tap. 1 4, tap. 1 5, 1 5, and tap. 1 5, and tap. 尽量把手抬高。2 3, tap. 2 4, tap. 那 2 5, tap. 好，我每个手指只做了一次，给大家一个 idea。OK， 但是你自己练的时候要做4次，至少做4次。I'm gonna try 3 fingers. Ready? Turn from 1 2 3 and down. 1 2 4 and down. 1 2 5 and tap. Now you can do like 2 3 5. You can do 1 3 4. 1 3 4. 1 3 4, and you can do 1 3 5. So 1 3 5. Oh, that's 2 4. 1 3 5. So all different combinations. Okay. When you do 4 fingers, we can do whole number 1 and go 2 3 4. Okay. And you can hold number 2, the other 4 fingers up. Make sure they go down at the same time. 4 up, and number 5 up, down. Alright, the perfect timing though. Okay, so I just demonstrate how we're gonna do each hand. Alright, I only did the right hand, and after your right hand, you do the left hands. Okay, if you can, if you want, you can try 2 hands at the same time. Okay, when you do like 3 fingers, is need to think about which finger I'm not lifting up. For example, if I do 1 3 4, then 2 and 5 you need to hold and lift the other 3 fingers up. Okay, so think about which finger you don't move. And the other thing is just to keep the wrist touching the board and knuckles keeping out all the time. Alright, in this hand positions, your arm is not in a very stressful or tight status. It's more relaxed, so it's easy for you to move your fingers. Alright, so that's our first exercises, and we talk about technique book, those 4 pieces from page 4 to 5. Alright, when we do legato walking fingers, a lot of students have the wrist shaking very heavy and move too much. We did a little exercise in the class, so I want you to do the same at home. Alright, also we're gonna move this way vertically on the keys. So I want you to put your 2 and 3 on the white keys and moving forwards by rotating the fingers like a walking 1 step at a time. Okay, so I'll show you a little bit. Consider your finger, your feet as walking on the white keys. Check your movement of your fingers. Your wrist is mostly still and you just move the fingers. Alright, once you've done your right hand, try your left hands, different directions. And after this, let's try to put our hands in the normal position, okay? And do the same movement by walking towards the middle, the inside of the keys, alright, to the other end. Now let's do this slowly. When you're walking this way, you can see that your wrist, I'm hoping your wrist is not shaking. Okay, that's the whole point, to keep the wrist very steady. So try different fingers to the end, and then 3 4 3 4. Let the finger walk. 4 5 4 5 4 5 4 5 4. You can do 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1. Alright, so that's quite a special technique for this week, just to try to solve the shaking wrist problems. Alright, I will demonstrate the dragon stand, sea monster, dolphin play, and sharks. 1 in legato, walking finger, 1 in staccato, jumping finger. Okay. Right, so first one is the dragon stand in legato, walking fingers, very gentle and soft. Now do the staccato. Okay, so this week we concentrate on getting gentle fingers, soft sounds. So all 4 exercises we're going to do a bit quietly. Alright, now it's the C monster, legato, walking finger. Okay, now staccato, jumping finger. Alright, dolphin-headed play, walking finger. Okay, dolphin-headed play, staccato. Right, now the sharks, staccato, legato, walking finger. Shark, staccato, jumping finger. Right, now we move to the piano book. Okay, now Bravery at Sea is a very nice piece. We have a B flat as our key signatures. As flat sounds at the beginning of each line, we need to play B flat at all times. Okay, so that's something that we need to remind our kids all the times. Check the key signatures. Make sure you play B flat all the times. Okay, now I'm gonna demonstrate one more time. Okay, so if you still haven't got a tick on for this one, just keep practicing. The new one that you can try is on page 11, Run Mouse Run, and the other one is Pop Goes the Whistle. Okay, it's quite at the front of this book. The reason why we're doing the right now, not at the beginning of this year, is because the time signature is a 3/4. So 3/4 is quite tricky. We call it dancing beat. It doesn't feel very steady and feeling like a rush on the third beat because it's not stable. Okay, so we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 for those 2 pieces. Okay, so I'm gonna demonstrate the first one, Run Mouse Run. counting the beat. I'm gonna use a slow speed so you can listen carefully, count the beat with me. And when you do your practice, you can do them by phrase. You see some curved lines, okay? Each curved line is a phrase. You can learn that right hand, left hand, and then put the hands together. Alright, so I'm gonna use my metronome. So you're gonna do the counting for me.
你好，主人，我是
1, 2.
2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3。
Okay, so I'm gonna use the speed as 80. Okay, it's a good speed to start with. Right, let's
1、
start.
2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、
Okay, so that's how what the sounds like. I want you to try this little exercises, counting 1, 2, 3, and use your right hand to tap the notes that you're gonna play. All right. If it is a tie, you're gonna hold it. If it is 2 beats, you still just tap once and waiting for 2 beats. Okay. So I'm gonna demonstrate this. How do we count? Go a bit slow speed. I'm gonna do the right hand first. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wrist, 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 wrist. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wrist. Okay, so what I did is I used my right hand to tap. You can tap anywhere. You can tap on your lap, or probably not on the keys, or on the book holders, by the rhythm for each hand. Okay, if you have a note on the first beat, you tap. If it doesn't have a note, then you can rest, or maybe it's a long note, so you need to hold. Keep your hands down. Okay, now I'm gonna say left hand. So you can do the practice with me.
1、2、3、
Ready?
1、2、3、
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now it's the wrist, 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 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, wrist. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this exercise will help you to know the rhythm before you even learned it. Okay, it will make the learning faster. Okay, so we use the same method for the page 13. Pop goes the whistle. Okay, so first I want you to do your metronome on 76 and put it on 3/4 beat, so you can hear 3 sounds at a time, and 3 sounds for oba, and then you can do the practice on the right hand first. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Something like this, and then do the left hands and try hands together Alright, before even you start to learning the notes. So that's a good exercises. I want the parent to practice with the kids at first, and then we'll demonstrate more. We'll practice more in the class. Okay, but now I'm gonna try the pop goes the whistle. Let's use the same speed, 80 as the other one.
1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、1、2、3、
Okay, right. So Pop Goes the Weasel is our homework for this week. Right. If you have any questions, welcome to message me or leave a comment. Otherwise, I'll see you on next week. Bye.